All right, so let's go through a bit on photosynthesis. What do you understand by photosynthesis?
Plants.
Related to plants.
Yeah.
Okay, what is it about plants? This is a process where plants
Make oxygen and sugar.
No,
Okay.
they make
plants
food.
make food, which is also known as sugar. Good.
And
Glucose.
oxygen.
Yes. And gives out. Correct? Right. So what are the materials needed for photosynthesis to take place?
Carbon
Water
dioxide,
and
water,
sunlight
carbon
and
dioxide, water, light, and chlorophyll.
Okay.
Oh, carbon dioxide.
Yeah. And then
Water.
Light.
Actually, sunlight.
is it
Light.
sunlight or is it light?
Actually, it's light.
Light.
Actually, it's light, yeah, because if I have no sunlight, let's say in the night, I can still help the plant to photosynthesize, right?
Yeah.
I just need to turn on the lights.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
so
just
in
squat
fact,
there using a
it's the
flashlight.
squat there.
And then shine the torchlight.
I have a question.
Yeah, I think that's what Tommy will do, right?
Yeah.
Yes, what question do you have?
Does red leaves have chlorophyll?
What do you think?
Yeah. But how does it survive?
Good thinking. Okay. Now, many plants, right? Many plants are, okay, so I should actually put down one more thing over here, right? For photosynthesis to take place, there must be presence of chlorophyll in the plant. Okay, and then there must be water present, carbon dioxide, and then light. Now, photosynthesis, if we talk about chlorophyll, it's found in the cells we call
Plants.
Doctor,
Chloroplast.
I don't want any annotation today until I tell you you can annotate, okay? Okay. Chlorophyll is actually found in chloroplast. You know this?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you know that chlorophyll has a certain color, right? What color is chlorophyll?
Green.
Green. Yeah, so that's why you mentioned, do red plants or red leaves have chlorophyll? And then what did Tommy say? Of course, otherwise how do they survive? Agree or not? So, Tommy, I say no.
Okay.
Okay, red leaves. Those plants with red leaves, how do they survive? They
Oh, yeah,
actually,
there's also purple leaves, right?
yeah, purple also, not just red. Okay, red or purple. Okay, they actually contain chlorophyll, but because of the red or the purple pigment, they appear to be just red in color.
Oh.
That is actually hidden. The color is hidden. The green color is hidden. Now,
Oh.
how many of you, actually just two of you, okay. Do you all know, example, spinach? Have you all eaten spinach before?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
It's
Okay.
green.
Is green, but is it just green?
Oh. Oh.
Let me look out for you now. Okay, let me show you this. Take a look at this diagram. Have you seen this before?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
This is actually spinach, right? So if you get your mom, okay, to buy these vegetable from the market. And usually what do you do with it? You can cook soup, right? You can stir fry. So if you cook soup with this, I like to cook soup with spinach and eggs. So what happened is when I put this in the boiling water, after I wash it clean, when I put this in the boiling water, I see that the leaves are all green after a while. The soup will have some form of like red, purple color. Yeah, because the color actually came out from the leaf, correct? And then it went into the soup. So very obvious, there is of course the green leaves left behind. How I know this? Because I don't just buy these from the market. When I was teaching in the primary school previously, I used to grow this vegetable. I have my own vegetable plantation. Okay, so there's a big area. I actually lead a group of students. We grow our own vegetables, right? Okay, so first few times I allow them to bring home their produce, you know. Then they bring home and then they show to the parents, and then the mom will actually cook the vegetable. It's so tasty, they said. Okay, then when we have a lot of these vegetables growing already, we started selling the vegetables. Okay, and this is one of those that we have grown on our own. We also grow a lot of other plants like peanuts as well. All right, we also grow cabbage. Okay, we grow even the, you know the chai-sim. Okay, all these vegetables.
Kimchi.
Yeah. Chai-sim also, what else do we have? Actually, in fact, too many for me to suddenly recall now. Yeah, there's so many types of vegetables that we grew. It was very fun. We have lady's finger also. Okay, we have lady's fingers. We also have corn plant. Then we have what else? What else is interesting? We have the cucumber, we have the tomato,
I
etc.
have a banana tree.
Yes, there's banana tree in the school also. Yeah. Yeah, and then the bananas actually grew in one big bunch, right?
Yeah.
Of course, they're going to say horror stories related to the banana trees, right?
Why?
Yeah. Have you heard of it before?
Nope.
No. Okay, don't listen to it, okay?
Why?
I don't want you to be scared, right? Okay, so these leaves are, okay, you will see some spinach, okay, that is totally red in color. This particular one I'm showing you has got only, the center part, right? The center portion of the leaves that is red purple. But there are some spinach that is actually totally red in color. Same thing, when you boil it, what will happen? The red pigment all comes out. And you will see the green leaves already. Okay, got them? Ken? You understand this part, right?
Yes.
Have you eaten this before? No, you can try. Ask your mom. Okay, it's very tasty. And you know that spinach is actually Popeye's favorite food, right? It gives him power.
Oh.
You know who is Popeye? You do? You sure or not? Okay, so if I want to write a bit more about photosynthesis, what do you think I can add in? What else do you think I can add in about photosynthesis?
There's respiration and so.
Okay. Okay, it takes place. Tick. Together with
Respiration.
Okay. What is respiration?
A process which plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide.
Okay, takes in oxygen, gives out carbon dioxide, just like human beings and other living things, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, because plants also need air, food, and water to survive. Okay, so food is being made, which is the sugar. So the plant will actually make use of this food or sugar to grow. Okay, but then it also needs to take in, oxygen, okay, to stay alive. Now, let me ask you, when plants make food or sugar, okay, under the hot sun, it keeps on photosynthesizing. There will always be sugar being formed, but the plant will not need so much food, isn't it, to survive, right? So what will happen to the excess sugar?
You'll turn it to starch.
Very good. Okay, so excess sugar will be stored as starch. Where will it be stored? Where will it be stored? Any idea?
Those parts which are like very tasty to eat.
Those parts that are very tasty to eat. Okay, it's stored either in the roots, or in the fruits. Okay, in the roots will be things like potato, isn't it? Right, the root vegetable. You can also find them in the fruits. Okay, so these are the examples. Okay, so can I go on now? Let's start with our questions, okay? Now,
By the way,
Catherine,
I have a question. Is it okay if I at least write my answer?
over here.
Yeah.
Okay, why don't I allow you all to take turns? You will answer the questions taking turns, and you can annotate.
So I basically take one, and then Gautam takes two.
Yes. So you take all the odd question. Gautam will take the even question. Can?
I already write
So
answer.
I already
when
read the answer.
no, you cannot start here because I said Tommy starts first.
Okay.
We have to play fair.
I don't know.
You wouldn't want him to annotate on your question, right?
How about I do the odd, he does the even?
You ask him, see whether he's okay.
Okay,
I
that's
don't
actually
do
okay
it.
because it's basically just inverted.
Okay. Okay, so Gautam starts first, huh? Tommy is nice, right?
I don't have the answers. I only have my answers. So,
It's
yeah.
okay. Yeah, it's okay. You put your answer in, then we will comment on it. So Catherine kept two similar pots, right? In the dark room. Why did she want to do that?
Wait, yeah, that's why I'm doing. Wait.
How come, Tommy, your name became loading?
Yeah, I know. Loading. You're right. I literally have a loading on top of my head. Loading.
Okay, I'm done.
Loading.
Okay. So your answer is for de-starching the plants. Can you explain a little bit about your answer?
Because they kept it in the dark and then there is no light. Thus, it doesn't have, it cannot store any starch because it doesn't even produce like it doesn't sugar or stuff.
Okay. No light means no
Food.
Photosynthesis. Also no sugar.
photosynthesis, correct? No photosynthesis means no.
Food.
So it cannot store any starch.
So no starch to be stored at all, right?
Yeah. And what's even
And then
more? And what's
how many
more,
days did it happen? 2 days. So
Yeah.
practically there is totally no starch in the plant, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, you're right. So now you have to remove your annotation.
For me? Oh, okay. Can I copy?
Oh, yes. Yes, please. It's good that you copy. When you do your revision, you can relook at what is written here.
Sugar.
Okay.